Today I'm replacing the hard drive, the SSD hard drive and the battery for MacBook Pro model A1398. That's 15-inch of 2012. So let's do that. First thing, I will disconnect the battery. This is the SSD hard drive. This is 256 gigabyte, but this one is not working. We replace it with a 512. It's very simple to install it. Easy installation. Here we go. But we still have to install the operating system. Usually this model will take up to Catalina operating system, the OS X Catalina, which is 10.15. Okay, now I will try to remove the battery. Usually these batteries are glued or had some adhesive between the battery and the palm rest in the back. We have to carefully lift it up to remove the adhesive. Here we go. This is a battery. And we have a new battery for this one. Oops. Yeah, they give you like a couple of screwdrivers and stuff. I see is this like a little mirror bracket at the bottom of the old battery, so I'm assuming this one I'm gonna reuse again since the new one doesn't come with it. Could be like just for enforcement for the battery. It's not something serious, but might as well just use it. If it's useful to use or not, but I'm just gonna try to use it. This is the back of the new battery. If I use this one, it has to be like that. Just like that. Let's see. Need to align it to make sure the screws is gonna go at the right way before I glue it. Hard to see. There we go. Just like that. Okay. Let's see if I can plug it in first. Okay, I think I really plugged it in. gonna need to test it. Okay, here we go. Okay, the battery works. Move the plastic. This plastic holds the battery together, so if you move it, you don't break it. But now, once you install it, you will need to remove it. Here's the back cover. This one didn't come with all the screws, so I'm gonna put whatever I have. Okay, now it's ready, and I already installed an operating system, so and it's working just fine.